You have a brand new Genie 3120 in your garage, so let's talk about the top features of the Aladdin app that you need to know about. From the app's home screen, you can open and close your garage door and monitor its current status. Say you've left your home in a rush and forgot to close the garage door. Now you can close it right from your phone. The opener will alert anyone around the door that it will be closing with a series of beeps and flashing lights, keeping everyone safe. Even better, set up the door rule feature to close your door automatically on a schedule or after a specific amount of time. With Aladdin, you can also operate your garage door hands-free using Siri. Hey Siri, open the garage door. Going out of town and need your pet sitter to visit your home? Virtual Key allows you to give them access during certain dates and times. If you ever have a problem with your opener, alerts will appear in the app to tell you what's wrong and how you can fix it. Aladdin puts the control of your garage door in the palm of your hand. Give it a try to make the most of your new Genie opener.
We vow to wow. Precision Garage Door, a name you can trust.